Hello friends. Swachh Bharat we have heard about a lot, right? After the NDA government came into power in 2014, it focused on improving the living standards of Indian citizens by Clean India movement. The task, formerly known as Swachh Bharat Mission, is the key to drive hygienic habits and make India clean. The mission, which boosted up the making of toilets, especially in the rural part of India, which in turn raised their health standards. Thus, all these initiatives will not only benefit the entire country but also the connected industries as a whole. So, to know about these talks benefiting from this initiative, stay tuned with us till the end of this video where we have a surprise for you. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Swachh Bharat Mission is a nationwide campaign that aims to clean up the streets, roads and infrastructure of India's cities, towns and rural areas. The mission is likely to boost up the making of toilets, thus making India defecation free. So what is the project output till date? According to official figures on October 2nd, 2014, coverage for rural areas was 38.7%, but it has increased to 93% by 2019 with over 8.4 crore toilets constructed. Nearly 4 years since its launch, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has transformed into a people's campaign and sanitation, especially across rural India. Rural India has witnessed drastic transformation. Ministry of Urban Development had released an app called the Swachh Bharat Toilet Locator, which has a Google Toilet Locator service. The app provides directions and distance to the nearest public toilet. Central government run hospitals under Kaya Kalp initiative are now much cleaner, hygienic and infection free, aiding decrease in diarrhea and jaundice deaths. So, which are the sectors which can gain from it? Ceramic tiles and pipe industry to benefit the most due to major implementation of toilets across India. This sector looks set to grow at a healthy rate. The chemical sector too is involved for sanitation and safe drinking water. With all these infrastructural changes, cement industry being an allied sector also is expected to benefit from it. Government hospital and hospitality sector to benefit with health and hygienic activity gaining grounds. You must be now eager to know about these stocks, right? So for that, you need to subscribe to Stockage Premium version. Here, under the premium option, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criteria like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here, you can check all the scans which these stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened or not for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So to know that, we are giving you a coupon code which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of Stockage, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know these stocks which can give you the best returns under Stockage Premium version. Thank you.